Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 27th, 2020. The reason why you clicked on this video is because you wanted to figure out which crypto is still a buy. And we're going to give you all examples and reasonings as to why that is the case for Monero. This is your first time watching our video, coming to our channel, and you guys see how simple our price chart looks. And then we're going to give you all a heads up as to where the market is going. You appreciate that? Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell notification so you do not miss out on any of the price direction changes that we see occur in the market for cryptocurrencies. So now, this is it. This is the crypto that is still reflecting strength into the market. As a matter of fact, it is trending a lot stronger to the upside than many other cryptocurrencies today. It's Monero. Ask yourself the question, why is that? Why is this crypto getting so much demand as others are going lower? Price tells you everything you need to know. It's because everyone is finding that this crypto has more value, right? So let's look at the performance of what the trap has done since our last video in Monero, which was right here on the 29th of September. We told you at that particular time as well that Monero is expected to go higher. And it did. 20.37% profitability into the market, if anything. Or let's say we wanted to get out today. That'll be 41.35%. Right there. All right, now pulling your leg. We did all that without even being confused. This is how you're able to get profits out the market and take the bag back from the trap. It's that you had to be there before he takes the market price there. And this is just another example of that occurring. All right, let's get rid of it. So now we need to update this chart, right? Because we was following the market hitting support restriction right there at 100. Zooming back in. What is the trend? What direction is the market in Monero going? Right, we're going higher. So if anyone else that speaks on anything outside of that, you know that they're not right. So we need to adjust this line just to make it visually appeasing to us as to how strong this market in Monero looks, right? So this is the basis of the current trend that we are in into the market in Monero. Okay, this is it. Now the only problem that I see is that the overall slope is very strong. Like we are trending so strong into the market in Monero that we are, let's see, what is the percentage range that we are from to still be in this uptrend. So the market in Monero is about 19% trading away from the trend, which means that we can still see this market in Monero go down 19% and we'll still be in an uptrend. Now, many people say that that is bearish, but so long as this market holds this line, the trend is still in play. Keep that in mind, okay? So, daily time frame. I want you all to see this. The market in Monero has been taking some brunts, has been taking some hits from the standpoint of weakness. It has. You can see it right here on this daily time frame. But the trap, he's extremely anxious to continue to increase the value of this currency. The 3-day chart into the market in Monero, you guys can see here. Right here is where the market tried to induce more selling to lower the price, and it wasn't even successful there. The last 3-day price bar, the same thing. But we're still seeing instances to where the strength is trying to come through. So you can see it. This is where restriction is at into the market in Monero. We're almost there now. So it's around $145 is where the restriction area will try to come into the market in Monero. I would say around 145 to 150. So we need to keep that into perspective as we see this trap tried to increase the value in Monero. 145 to 150 is the expectations where we'll see more sellers entering the market in Monero. Okay, let's take a look at the market in Monero on the 5-day, and take a look at the market in Monero here on the 5-day chart. Again, the weakness is here, but the trap is taking the hits. He's willing to accept the brunt of the sellers into the market just so that he can increase the price. That's it. Okay. Weekly time frame. Here we are once again. This market in Monero is still here, emphasizing that it wants to go higher. We just need to pinpoint where will the sellers appear. And I told you, around 145 to 150. The 3-week chart, looking at the market in Monero, looks real good. I mean, we have 2 consecutive weeks to which the market closed higher than the previous 3-week price bar. Twice it has occurred, right? So we just need to figure out where the sellers are at. From my perspective, they're here around 145 to 150. Leave me your comment as to where you think the market weakness is at in Monero. Okay, so let's go ahead and put in this price forecast in Monero real quick. Like I told you, we're going to expect some strength to come into the market in Monero, and we're going to hold some support around 136. Even though 125, we can see the market come to that particular location as well, and 145 as restriction. So it'll still be about 6% market movement to the upside before we real expect to see some sellers out into the market. Okay, so this is our expectations. Let's go ahead and get rid of this because we're not here to make our chart confusing. We are here to give you all these expectations as to what we're noticing on the trap, and we're going to play some of the strength into the market. Understand, we can still see this market come all the way down here, and we'll still be in the uptrend though. Okay, so now what do you see in the market in Monero? Excuse me. Like I told you, where do you see the sellers at? We told you 145, 150, give or take. Where do you see it? Leave us your comment, and then tell us where you expect the market to go. Where will the trap take the market in Monero over the next 2 weeks? What will the market be at? Because we got to get there. We got to get in position before he actually takes the price there in order for us to grab the bag. So tell us your TP, tell us your prediction for Monero with a comment. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and we'll speak again on the next one.